Hello, welcome to day 4, Thursday, October 8th. This is our last day in Module 3, and we are now finished with Unit 1. Let's see what we're going to do today. First, you'll watch this video that explains what we will do for the day. Then, you're going to click on Async. We have a few activities to do today for Async. The first one is a quiz on inference. You are going to read some text and answer the questions. You read the question, read the text, make your answer. For the second one, read the question, read the text, make your answer. And for the third one, read the question, read the text, read your answer. Pick your answer, and then click submit. Your second activity in async, job interview questions. So always remember, before you post your comment, you should always read everything first. All right. So you are going to pretend you are applying for a job, and you're going to pick 3 questions from the list of questions below. And you are going to write your answers to those questions as if you were in a real interview. And you can use gerunds and infinitives to make your robust answer. Remember to check for spelling and grammar. One of my suggestions is to copy and paste what you type in the comment box in a document, whether it is Google Docs or Word, Microsoft Word, and check for the spelling and the grammar. And once you have done that, then you can copy and paste it back here in the comments. That way we can really work on our spelling, okay? And that's it for this activity. The third activity is a Spark reading. So you're going to read a Spark article called Looking for a Job. Okay, remember your goal is to try to get 75% the first time. You are going to get some inferring questions. Okay, based on your Lexile level, it might say the reader can tell or the reader can infer. When you see those types of questions, that means you need to make an inference. Okay? Make sure you read all of this explanation before you read the article. Okay? The last activity is your deliverable. So you are going to write a paragraph about your future career. Okay, so you're going to open up the document and read the directions in the document, and then you will submit your document. Okay, and that's it for async. Let's see what we have in sync. So in sync, we are going to work on vocabulary, main idea, and inferring. Okay, so you guys will be split into 4 groups, and each group will get a paragraph, and you will build your vocabulary by finding new words in the paragraph. And then based on your paragraph, you will be reading again to find the main idea and details. Then you'll read one more time to make some inferences. And that's it for today. Good luck.